What is Spark at Google?
In one word?
Only one.
Rewarding.
Impactful. Pagkakaiba-iba.
Dynamic.
Familia.
Energizing.
Here, I'll show you.
Spark at Google is the first step of your journey at Google. By joining Spark at Google, you'll work on the Google Customer Solutions Team, or GCS, which helps many types of businesses grow with Google Ads. Specifically, Spark is an entry-level 18-month program designed to give you hands-on experience in digital sales.
As a part of the Google Customer Solutions team, you learn there's a lot more to sales than you think. Sales at Google prepares you for a career in the larger tech industry by showing you how to navigate one of the most complex and most valuable advertising systems on the planet. I think the most rewarding part of working in sales is getting to actually make an impact on dozens and dozens of businesses every single day, and I get to do it with amazing people.
What makes the GCS community so special is that word community. It actually feels like a space in which everyone could be themselves in their own unique way and be not just tolerated, but accepted. I'm part of the BGN, otherwise known as the Black Googler Network. Essentially, these are all employee resource groups. This really gives a sense of community within the space and actually is able to help people connect more and be more inclusive. Spark at Google really proves there's a place for everyone in tech.
I'm really glad I ended up in Google Customer Solutions because I've learned so much about so many different skills that can apply to any industry. We work with such a variety of companies and advertisers, whether they're a brand new startup or whether it's a legacy brand that has been around for hundreds of years. It's been a really, really special experience.
I think working at GCS is a really good first career move because you're able to be introduced to so many facets of business. This program is really molding the next generation of Google employees. They're a generation that's going to do things differently, and it's thrilling to be a part of that.